Join me as I put the DJI Mavic 4 Pro to the test to see if it really lives up to the hype and if it's worth upgrading from the Mini 5 Pro. So you're in the market for a new drone, and you're torn between the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro, two of the most popular models on the market. Many drone enthusiasts find themselves in this exact dilemma, wondering if the advanced features of the Mavic 4 Pro are worth the significant price bump compared to the more affordable Mini 5 Pro. It's a tough decision, especially since both drones have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. To make matters worse, the prices of these drones can fluctuate depending on the retailer and the bundle you choose, which adds another layer of complexity to the decision-making process. One thing's for sure, the Mavic 4 Pro is the more advanced drone, with features like a larger sensor, longer flight time, and more obstacle avoidance sensors. But is it really worth the extra cost? To answer this, let's dive deeper into the specs of both drones and see how they compare. The Mini 5 Pro, for example, has a 1.7-inch sensor, which is still quite capable, but not as large as the Mavic 4 Pro's 1-inch sensor. The Mavic 4 Pro also has a longer flight time, with up to 34 minutes in the air, compared to the Mini 5 Pro's 31 minutes. But again, is this extra flight time worth the added cost? When it comes to obstacle avoidance, the Mavic 4 Pro has a more advanced system, with sensors on all sides, compared to the Mini 5 Pro's more limited system. This added safety feature can give you more peace of mind when flying, especially in tight spaces. In terms of camera quality, both drones can shoot 48-megapixel stills, but the Mavic 4 Pro has a more advanced lens, which allows for better low-light performance. The Mavic 4 Pro also has a more advanced video mode, with 10-bit color and higher frame rates. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Well, if you're a serious drone enthusiast, or a professional who needs the absolute best quality and features, the Mavic 4 Pro is probably worth the upgrade. The advanced sensor, longer flight time, and more advanced obstacle avoidance system make it a more capable drone overall. However, if you're on a tighter budget, or you're just starting out with drones, the Mini 5 Pro is still an excellent choice. It's a more affordable drone that still packs a punch, with great camera quality and a feature set that's very similar to the Mavic 4 Pro. To recap, the main points we've discussed today are the key differences between the Mavic 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro. We've examined the specs, features, and camera quality of both drones to help you make a more informed decision. So, which drone do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more drone-related content.